Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We're discussing some problems related to algebra by using some instant methods, some tricks. So, for more videos, please subscribe my channel. So, today first question is, if x equal to root 5 minus 2, then find the value of x plus 1 by x. So, observing the first direct method, x equal to root 5 minus 2. So 1 by x value is 1 by root 5 minus 2. By rationalization method, multiply and dividing with root 5 plus 2 by root 5 plus 2. From numerator root 5 plus 2, in denominator a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So a value root 5, b value 2. Root 5 square 5, 2 square 4, 5 minus 4 value 1, in denominator 1. So here a value root 5, b value is 2, a square minus b square value root 5 square 5 minus 2 square 4, 5 minus 4 1. So here 1 by x value root 5 plus 2. So then x plus 1 by x equal to root 5 minus 2 plus root 5 plus 2. So here 2 to get cancelled, your answer is 2 root 5. This is answer. Now what is shortcut method? So the x value in the form of root a plus root b. So here a square minus b square is 1. X value in the form of root a plus root b. So here satisfy the condition a square minus b square equal to 1. So then 1 by x equal to root a minus root b and vice versa. అంటే here x equal to root a minus root b అయితే 1 by x value root a plus root b when satisfy this condition a square minus b square equal to 1. So here root 5 square value 5, 2 square value 4, 5 minus 4 when. So x value root 5 minus root 5 minus 2 అయితే 1 by x value root 5 plus 2. So here adding these two values directly. 2 to get cancelled, root 5 plus root 5 value 2 root 5. So మనం రేషనలైజింగ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So but కంపల్సరీగా a square minus b square equal to 1, this condition satisfy అవ్వాలి. Okay now. So here next question is, if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then value of root x plus 1 by root x. So here observing that x equal to 2 plus root 3. So here a value is 2, b value is root 3. So a square minus b square value 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, 4 minus 3 1. So satisfy this condition. So here 1 by x equal to 2 minus root 3. So adding to this x plus 1 by x, root 3 get cancelled, 2 plus 2 4. So x plus 1 by x value 4. But here find out చేయవలసిన value root x plus 1 by root x. Root x plus 1 by root x. So x means root x whole square plus y means here 1 by root x whole square. So plus adding both side 2 equal to 4 plus 2. ఇక్కడ 2 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం means here a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a value is root x, b value is 1 by root x. Root x, 1 by root x get cancelled. So 2ab. Inka remaining value is 2. So both are adding the 2. So from left hand side, root x plus 1 by root x whole square equal to 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 6 more. So here మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయని వాల్యూ రూట్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 by root x మాత్రమే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో స్క్వేర్ రూటింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ root x plus 1 by root x is equal to root 6. This is your answer. ఇక్కడ both side 2 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేసామంటే 2ab means 2 root x into 1 by root x. Root x get cancelled. So remaining value is 2. So both side adding the 2. From left hand side root x plus 1 by root x whole square. From right hand side 4 plus 2 6. Root x plus 1 by root x whole square equal to 6. Root x plus 1 by root x is equal to root 6. Okay na? So when satisfy this condition, a square minus b square equal to 1. X is equal to 2 plus root 3. Then 1 by x is equal to 2 minus root 3. Now next question. If x equal to 8 plus 3 root 7, then value of x square plus 1 by x square. So here a value is 8, b value is 3 root 7. So a square minus b square equal to a square value 64 minus b square value 3 square 9. 9 into 7 63. 64 minus 63 value 1. So here x equal to 8 plus 3 root 7, then 1 by x equal to 8 minus 3 root 7. Then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So adding both equations, x plus 1 by x. So adding these two, x plus 1 by x. So here 3 root 7 get cancelled, into remaining 8 plus 8 16. So already మనం ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ లో నేర్చుకున్నాం ఆల్జీబ్రా ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ x plus 1 by x equal to k. Then if x plus 1 by x is equal to k, then x square plus 1 by x square equal to k square minus 2. So here what is the k value? 16. So x square plus 1 by x square equal to 16 square minus 2. Yeah, 16 square 256 minus 2. Your answer is 254. 254. Okay now. Next. So here of course here formula x plus 1 by x equal to k. Then x square plus 1 by x square equal to k square minus 2. Using this formula. Now next question is, if x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So here a value is 3, b value is 2 root 2. So a square minus b square value, a square value here 9 minus 2 root square means 2 square into 4, root square 2. 4 2s are 8 and 9 minus 8 1. So satisfy this equation. So x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then 1 by x equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. But here find out చేయవలసిన value x cube minus 1 by x cube. So x cube minus 1 by x cube ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే x minus 1 by x whole cube ఉన్నప్పుడు. So two equations subtraction చేయండి. X minus 1 by x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of minus 3 plus 2 root 2. So here 3 get cancelled. X minus 1 by x equal to 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, 4 root 2. So here find the value x cube minus 1 by x cube. So here formula is already మన first part లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. If x minus 1 by x equal to k, then x cube minus 1 by x cube equal to k cube plus 3k. This is your formula. Now using this formula, k cube minus 1 by x cube means x cube minus 1 by x cube equal to, what is the here k cube plus 3k. So here k value is 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 whole cube plus 3 into 4 root 2. 4 cube 64 into 2 root 2 cube. Root 2 cube means 2 into root 2 plus 3 4s are 12 root 2. 2 4s are 12 root 2. So 64 2s are 128 root 2 plus 12 root 2 equal to 140 root 2. This is your answer. So if x minus 1 by x equal to k, then x cube minus 1 by x cube value k cube plus 3k. This is the formula. Okay na? సో ఈ మోడల్లో ఏ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చినా సరే ఈ ఇన్స్టెంట్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు within 10 to 15 seconds లో. బట్ కంపల్సరీగా సాటిస్ఫై దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ a square minus b square equal to 1 సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ x is equal to root a plus root b or a plus root b or root a plus b ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఏమైనా కావచ్చు. సో ఈ మెథడ్ లో మనం ఫాలో అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఈ మెథడ్ లో మనం పార్ట్ ఏ లో యూజ్ చేసిన ఫార్ములా అనేవి ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసాం. సో కంపల్సరీ వాస్ ద ఆల్జిబ్రా పార్ట్ 1. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ do these problems. If x equal to 2 plus root 3, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. X equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, then find the value of root x plus 1 by root x. If x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square by using this method. So compulsory everyone was the algebra part 1. Algebra part 1 లో formulas మనం explain చేసుకున్నాం. Okay ma? Do this problem same method. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.